For centuries, humans believed Earth stood at the center of everything. The sun moved around us, the moon moved around us, and the stars seemed to obey. It was a comforting idea. Humanity was not small. Humanity was central. But then one thought appeared, a thought so dangerous it could shake religion, science, and power at the same time. What if Earth was not the center? What if our world was moving? At first, this idea sounded impossible, because nobody could feel Earth turning beneath their feet. The ground felt still. The sky looked like it was moving around us. For ancient people, that was enough. The universe looked obvious, until someone questioned it. Nicholas Copernicus studied the heavens carefully. He looked at planets, patterns, numbers, and strange celestial movements. And slowly, a different picture began to appear. Maybe Earth was not the center of the universe. Maybe Earth was only one planet. Moving around the sun like the others? This was more than astronomy. This was a direct challenge to how humans saw themselves. Because if Earth was not central, then maybe humanity was not the center of creation either. For many people, that idea felt terrifying, not just wrong, dangerous. Then Galileo looked into the night sky with a telescope, and the universe began to reveal secrets no one could ignore. He saw moons moving around Jupiter. That meant not everything revolved around Earth. He saw mountains and shadows on the moon. That meant the heavens were not perfect and untouched. He saw phases of Venus, and those phases supported a sun-centered system. Every observation made the old worldview weaker. But truth does not always win quietly. Galileo's discoveries threatened powerful beliefs. Science had entered a dangerous room. This was not only a debate about stars, it was a battle over authority. Who had the right to explain reality? Ancient tradition, or evidence seen through glass? Galileo was warned. His ideas were questioned, restricted, and judged. But the sky had already changed, because once people saw the evidence, they could not unsee it. The earth was moving. The heavens were larger, stranger, and more mysterious than anyone imagined. Humanity was no longer standing at the center. We were traveling through space. That realization was frightening, but it was also beautiful. Because losing the center meant gaining the universe. This idea changed science forever. It taught humans to question what looked obvious. It showed that reality can be bigger than belief. And sometimes, the most dangerous idea is also the most truthful. The universe did not become smaller when Earth moved. It became infinite. And from that moment, humanity never looked at the sky the same way again.